Hi, this is a quick review of the Thinktank Mirrorless Mover 5 camera bag. The Thinktank Mirrorless Mover 5 camera bag is designed for small mirrorless cameras. I believe this is the smallest case in the Mirrorless Mover series. I purchased this bag to protect my Sony Alpha 60-100 mirrorless camera and 16 to 50mm kit lens. There is a small mesh pocket in the top cover. The padded divider is adjustable and attaches to the inside with Velcro. I don't plan to carry additional lenses or equipment, so this bag is about the right size for me. It's easy to carry or throw into a backpack. It comes in a few different colors. This one is called pewter. This camera bag came with a rain cover, a shoulder strap, and a foam divider. It uses YKK racket coil zippers which are designed for luggage applications. The fabric is polyester and the D-rings and zipper pulls are metal. The bag is about 192 grams with all components included. It is padded on all sides and should protect the camera from small bumps. There is an inside mesh pocket which can hold spare memory cards or maybe a small filter. My camera measures 4.75 inches by 3.03 inches by 2.63 inches with the lens cap and filter attached, and it's a perfect fit. My iPhone 7 is about 5.5 inches tall. I can squeeze it into the case next to the camera, but it's a tight fit and I have trouble closing the zipper. There is just enough room left inside the bag to store the shoulder strap. There is a handle on top that makes it easy to grab and carry. The rain cover is attached with a strap, but it's easy to remove. The front pouch can also be used to store the shoulder strap or small items like batteries. The rain cover seems to be designed to fit over the top of the bag, but it covers the D-rings and belt loop in this configuration. My camera is not too heavy, so the shoulder strap is a comfortable option. The front flap has a magnetic latch to keep it in place when you want quick access to your camera, but I would normally keep the cover zipped to keep the camera secure. I initially thought that wearing the bag on my belt would be too heavy and bulky, but it's not as bad as I thought. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review for the Thinktank Mirrorless Mover 5 helpful.